Hello, this is ANASTASIA and I'm gonna show you this house today. It's a little different neighborhood. Just gonna show you around. Hello.
You come to look?
Yeah.
My client forgot and she's on her way, but she's
Okay.
20 minutes out. So
That's fine.
if you want to go and do,
Sure.
you go
Thank
and do.
you.
Here's the
Yeah.
keys.
Oh, you already opened it. Thank
It's
you.
open. Yeah.
Okay. I'm just taking.
The back door has been kicked in, so it doesn't lock.
Okay.
Just so you know.
Okay.
There's a couple weird things.
Okay. Let's take a look. Thank you. Okay, and this is the main entrance in the house. Oh, this is the main entrance, right? From right there. Okay.
Yeah, I think they use that as a bedroom.
Oh,
that
you
would
just
be-
say this is weird
that's the
things.
fourth bedroom.
Okay, got it. Thank you. So let's go in and see how it's look. Okay. That's I would say living room. Okay, and this is the kitchen. Smells here like it has a sewer problem, like it's all backed up or there was some problem. And this is the main entrance. We have half a toilet right here. And this is another room. This can be a living room, or I'm not sure how you use it. AC, water thing. This is electrical, I believe. I'm not sure what is this one. Okay, and we have one more bathroom right here. We have another bedroom right here. Most likely they just pull carpet, so you need to do some work with the floors. But ceilings look intact. Another bedroom. And small closets. Okay, so we have one full bathroom. 1, 2, 3 bedrooms right here. 1, 2, 3, and the bathroom. And I'm not sure if you can go to the basement from here. Do you know if there is a basement?
No basement.
Okay, got it.
I don't know if you can reach this high,
Okay.
but
These
ceiling panels are hot as you can imagine.
Yeah.
There's trapped heat up there somewhere, and it's just, I can barely touch it.
Okay, so this is a house. Let me know what you think.